guys, I'm Katie, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing something a little bit different from my usual DIY videos. I'm doing bullet journaling. So I have never done this before, so this is going to be a new kind of thing to me. And so I bought this nice bullet journal. It was €11 and it was kind of expensive, but I thought I might as well because why not, you know? So I bought some Crayola Super Tips too because I heard that's good, and here are a few supplies that some people would usually go for if they're doing bullet journaling. If you're doing bullet journaling yourself, if you're taking this as a tutorial thing, because it's kind of a tutorial, kind of not, kind of just me doing whatever I think is supposed to be done. But I really enjoyed making this bullet journal, and hopefully I keep it up for the entire year. And did I say Happy New Year? I didn't. Wow, Katie. But yeah, Happy New Year to all. And yeah, let's do it. After moving everything aside, we're going to jump right into it, and since I was very nervous about starting it on camera, I decided to just sketch out a few things with my pencil, which I will rub out and actually use a fine liner or something, or a marker for. So yeah, here's just my little flip through of pages that I have already decorated, I guess. So first I was going to decorate the front cover, but it was just really difficult thinking up what I was going to do for this. And here's some ASMR. So yeah, I'm not going to start off with the front cover. I might do that last or something. So the first page is going to be my cover page, that page that everyone sees, I guess. So I just did a kind of simple design. I just did 2020 and then in the middle, bullet journal. And then I changed to this kind of angle for mostly the entire video because it just suited me better, and I really wanted to get into the designs, and this angle let me do it, I guess. But yeah, I have nothing else to say. I'm gonna leave. So here is the finished front cover page, I guess, and it says Bullet Journal 2020. Yay! So let's move on to the second page. So this second page is going to be the index, and I'm just gonna write the title. I might come back at the end and write in what I need to fill in for the index because there's gonna be a lot of pages filled in. So I just did a simple design, and yeah, nothing too special about it. So, as I said, we will come back to this page every time we fill out a new page. So yeah. So for the next page, I'm doing 2020 at a glance. So I saw a different YouTuber, Megan Weller, do this, and it's basically where you just write out all of the different months, like with Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then like all the weeks. You'll get it. I'm not good at explaining things. just watch and you will see. And then, since I found it kind of boring, I decided to add a pop of color by doing just like the first letter of every month, with a different color. And I think it looks cool. So, for the next page, I'm just going to be writing out the title of my New Year's resolutions page. I wanted this to be like one of the first pages because, you know, it's that I don't really know. You probably understand. I hope you do. So here I'm doing a quite creative way of doing it. So I'm basically putting a piece of washi tape in the middle of New Year's, and then I'm writing resolutions in the middle where the washi tape was, but I filled it off. You saw it. You probably understand it. But yeah, I think it's a really cool design. Found it off of Pinterest and my own mind. So the next page I'm going to be doing is things that make me happy. And then I decided to do this page because, like, you know, I like looking at things that make me happy, you know? You know. You know. So here is the finished title of Things That Make Me Happy, and I really like it. And next page is going to be a mood tracker 2020, like kind of like a year in pixels. Then we have all of the months, as I'm showing you. And I just have a very simple title here. I'm changing that, and then I'm going to put a key in the bottom right corner, and it's gonna say like, this color is happy, this color is sad, blah, blah, blah. You get what I mean. So here is me drawing out the title, and then hating it, and then doing a new title. So here is my mood tracker 2020 all done. Here's the key, and then yeah, I think this is a really colorful and bright page, and I'm excited to see how many of what moods I'm feeling this year. So next page is video ideas, because I'm quite dedicated to this YouTube channel, so if you're new, I hope you subscribe, because I put in a lot of work to each video that I make every week, But yeah, and then I made that title and then went on to birthdays because I never forget my friends' birthdays. I know that it's one of my friends' birthdays today, actually, as I'm posting this video. Not gonna say who to respect their privacy, but yeah. Next page is going to be a reading log, and each little book is equal to 10 pages, and I did 12 of them for each one. And then I decided to try and decorate the cover, and you can see my downfall here. Adding yellow was a mistake. And then after messing up more than once, I came up with this off camera, and I think it's really cute. And yeah, I really hope you liked it too. I bet you haven't seen that intro in a while since it was Christmas. So I really hope everyone has a fabulous new year with great opportunities and stuff like that. I don't know. So if you're new here, I invite you to subscribe. There will be many Saturday videos in the future and hopefully a few Wednesday ones thrown in. Maybe one this week. I don't know. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed the video, and see you next time. Bye!